सर मुर्गन इडली शॉप एकदम सुपर हाइट का इधर फेमस है।
Vanakkam India. I am in Krishnagiri, Tamil Nadu. After a beautiful drive of 2 hours from Bengaluru, you have ample car parking all across this building. Guys, this is our idli platter right over here. This is your standard ghee podi idli. Slightly spicy and tangy, I will say. Have like bowls and bowl of this sambar. If I have to tell you which out of these chutneys I found the best, it will be the quite average. Now before I reach Krishnagiri, here is a little information about the city and about the travel experience. Located approximately 90 kilometers from Bengaluru, Krishnagiri, a city in the Tamil Nadu state of India, is also called as the mango capital of India. The town is fully surrounded by rocks and is located at the bottom of the Krishnadevaraya hills. You can reach here by any mode of transport, be it car, bike or bus. The roads are pretty good, and if you start early from Bangalore, you can reach here within 1 hour 45 minutes or max 2 hours. No matter where you travel in the south, Empire Restaurant is omnipresent. I suggest you better start by 7 am or sooner so you can avoid the daily traffic and reach here by your breakfast time. You may not be able to fully enjoy the Murugan Idli experience if you eat something big and heavy on the way. I started around 9 am on a Saturday morning and the drive was good. Going inside, I requested the staff permission for a kitchen shoot, which was met with a denial, and I totally respect that. However, the manager and the staff were kind enough to bring a few of the best selling items outside and give some information about them. If you have more time to explore, I suggest you explore some amazing temples and the Krishnagiri Dam out there. Let's start the vlog now.
सर मुर्गन इडली शॉप एकदम सुपर हाइट का इधर फेमस है। घी पूरी इडली, घी पूरी आनियन उत्तापम, शक्कर पोंगल, हलवा, पनियारम, जिगर तंदा, नल्ला का मुर्गन इडली।
गुड मॉर्निंग। ये देखिए मुर्गन इडली स्पेशल, ये इडली है, ये बड़े है, ये तेंगा चटनी है, ये मल्ली चटनी, पुदीना चटनी, ये तकाली चटनी, ये सांभर है, ये जिन सांभर है, ये कृष्णगिरी स्पेशल है।
ये मुर्गन इडली का स्पेशल आइटम घी पूरी इडली है और ये हिंदी में इसको पट्टू बोलता है, तमिलनाडु में पनियारम बोलते हैं। अच्छा है, आइए मुर्गन इडली कृष्णगिरी टेस्ट करिए, एकदम अच्छा लगेगा। सर मुर्गन इडली स्पेशल आइटम चिन्ना मिनिया आनियन उत्तापम कृष्णगिरी branch नल्ला super साप्टका।
Vanakkam India. I am in Krishnagiri, Tamil Nadu. After a beautiful drive of 2 hours from Bengaluru, we have finally reached the Murugan Idli shop over here. What is all there outside to show? Let me just give you a small look. There are washrooms which are available. You have ample car parking all across this building. This is the Murugan Idli shop over here. And you also have Ola Hypercharger. And let's go inside and see what all is there. So very excited guys, I have heard a lot about this place. I have heard the idlis are damn good. They have different sorts of chutney. First time visiting this place. Without any further ado, let's get started. Very hungry by the way. So guys, while I wait for my order, do let me know the best place where you have tried some great idli. If it is somewhere in Bengaluru, I will go and make a vlog about it. So guys, this is our idli platter right over here. They have given us 4 different types of chutney. Starting from here, this is the tomato chutney. This is the pudina chutney. This is the dhania chutney, and this is the standard coconut chutney. But they have also given you sambar as well along with your idli. So let's go and taste it. I've got a spoon here. Let me see how this tastes like. And the rest of the idli that you see, this is your standard ghee podi idli over here. One by one, let's go and dip in this all the chutneys and see which one is the best. Starting from the first one, which is the tomato chutney. The ghee and the podi, the masala is going on absolutely amazing and fine. Slightly spicy and tangy, I will say, but I liked it. Now let's try the next one, which is the pudina chutney. Not at all spicy or tangy, very home-like. You often make it at home, just the same, nothing wow about it. Let's go to the third one now, which is the dhania chutney or the coriander chutney. Guys, I think I better use my hands. It will get me more of the chutney inside this. I like this one, quite mild. Yeah, quite mild, quite creamy and thick, I will say. And now it is time to try the last one, which is the standard coconut chutney you get everywhere. Much better than a lot of coconut chutneys that I have had. Very soft, very creamy, at the same time delightful. So guys, now I am trying the last thing, which is the sambar. Generally not a fan of sambar and idli. I love chutney and idli more. Let's go. I think the Tamil Nadu sambar has already started doing its magic. This is why people come here for. So guys, if you don't know, Tamil Nadu is one such place where you get one of the finest sambars. Not at all sweet, tasting very flavorful. The spice balance and all is super good over here. I feel I can have like bowls and bowl of this sambar. Amazing, Guru. Too good. So guys, if I have to tell you which out of these chutneys I found the best, it will be the tomato chutney. This has the right amount of tanginess, spice and the flavors. Absolutely yum. Just yum. So out of all these, number 1 rank goes to the tomato chutney and number 2 goes to the coconut chutney. The pudina one and the dhania one, quite average and basic, I will say. But overall, this idli platter, ghee podi idli platter, gets an 8 on 10 rating. This is the masala dosa over here. And coming to the texture, let's have a look at the texture first. It is crispy. You can see the crunch. It is crispy. In terms of the size, it is good. But let's see how is it from the inside. Whoa, lot of ghee or oil that you can see, but breaking very easily. Let us go ahead and have a bite, guys. Let me see. I would say quite average. I have had much better masala dosa than this, but I understand it is an idli place. Idli was good, chutneys were good, but with the chutney, I will say dosa is tasting fine. So you can have it, but nothing too great or wow about it. The South Indian style filter coffee, from the aroma, it looks very much same to what I have had in Bangalore, and I keep having filter coffee on a regular basis. But let's try this today in Krishnagiri. I will just cool it down. It's quite hot. Give it a nice little swirl. And then finally, savor and enjoy. Pure South Indian authentic filter coffee. I am glad we are able to find it over here. This will just seal the deal and complete my meal. So guys, this is the bill. One thing I wanted to tell you, I was thinking that in one plate of idli there are 2 idlis, but they have actually put as 4 over here. So we ordered 2 plates. It means total 4 idli. So 46 into 4, 184. You can see the coriander one. This is something Mudakathan, Irandai, flaxseed powder, Mullu Murangai idli dosa, mint idli dosa powder. You can also buy it from here and take home in case you want to do similar things at your home. But you and I both know it is not possible here. That is why we have to come and eat at such outlets. This will cost you $200, guys. I really had a great time at Murugan Idli Krishnagiri today, and I must say you should visit this place for some great tasting idli. Dosa, I will say, was quite average. You can find it everywhere, yaar. Not a big fan of dosa over here, but yes, the idli, the ghee podi idli, the chutney, especially the tomato one, amazing, Guru. 11 on 10 rating. Thank you so much for watching. Please love and support in the form of like, share, comment and subscribe my channel if you want to watch more such content. Peace.